Today I'm taking some basic supplies and turning it into a beautiful memory keepsake box for my sister who is graduating. To help me with this idea, I'm going to also be using two photo sticker printers from Liene. Thank you to Liene for sponsoring this video and making this personalized box so easy and so fun. I think pretty much everyone should have a little box or trinket treasure chest where they can keep their most important memories, letters, etc. in one place. I had a lot of fun making this video, and it is always so cool to see all of the possibilities when it comes to homemade gifts and crafting. Let's go ahead and make this graduation box together. I started with the outside of the box because I wanted it to immediately feel like her. I kept everything in her favorite color scheme and got everything ready by adding pieces of paper onto this box that I have. This is where you can upcycle a lot and use supplies that you have, old shipping boxes and things like that to create something beautiful. Once I had my base ready to go, it was time to start working on some of the embellishments for the box. I needed my Liene Pixcut S1 photo printer. In case you haven't seen me review this one before, I really like this machine. I think it's fantastic. It's easy to understand and honestly prints some of the best photos I have ever seen from one of the at-home photo printers. You simply add in an ink cartridge and then choose the type of paper you want. There's sticker paper and photo paper. I'm starting with sticker paper to kind of show you how it works. The sticker paper is a little bit larger, and so the paper cartridge comes with a little lever that you just hold back while you put it in so that it fits. It's easy, and we love easy. After that, you can close it up and insert it into the printer so it's ready to go. There's an app that comes with the Liene brand items, so I opened it up, connected my printer using Bluetooth, and from here it was just smooth sailing. I got to choose some stickers and some inspiration that reminded me of my sister. As you guys know, I tend to like more of the vintage style, but she does not. So I tried to do more of what she likes, and it was really easy to use the app to find stickers here and there that I thought she would like. Then you kind of just move things around till it's exactly how you want, and you can print off your stickers. Without touching it, the Liene Pixcut S1 will print off the sheets and then pull them back in and cut them out. I think it's really cool because the printer will print the yellow ink version first, then it will print the red, and then it will print the blue until it comes out really perfect and beautiful. It's very satisfying to watch it cut as well, and it cuts beautifully so that you get a nice sticker sheet at the end. Another lovely feature of the app and of the machine that I just love is you can upload your own photos, screenshots, images, creations, even printable kits, and remove the background as well as split up all the images so you can move them around, resize them, and make it yours. So you can use a combination of your own images or the huge library of elements on the app to create cute little sticker sheets. I made a couple of these and printed them on the machine. The PixCut prints the designs and then precisely cuts around the individual pieces for me. It may look small because it's a desktop printer, but it is actually backed by 700 days of proven performance, so it is ready for me whenever inspiration strikes. Whether I'm gifting, making something for a loved one, scrapbooking, or doing something for my business, having a little machine desktop printer like this is really useful. I printed another sticker sheet just so I could have another one around ready to use, and I want to show you one more cool thing that this machine can do. If you don't want stickers, you can simply take out the sticker paper, insert the photo paper, interchange everything, select your photos you want printed, and it prints the most stunning high quality photos ever. I absolutely love them. I think they look super great and high quality. This is my sister's dog. She loves her dog, and the photo is amazing. It is so good. Oh, and those white strips, you can actually just tear those right off and it leaves a pretty clean edge and looks great. Now for the best part, I have all my materials and we're going to put everything together. I'm not trying to completely cover the box, just the top part. I want it to feel very layered, collected, and very personal to my sister. I wanted to start with some of the larger pieces and then fill in from there. So you'll see I have the photos, the stickers, some vintage pieces here and there, and I even wanted to add some charms at the end, just making it a gorgeous collage of my sister, her favorite colors, and some of the things that remind me of her. And you guys, I absolutely love it. I think it was super easy to work with these pieces because everything coordinated and looks so good. And more importantly, I think she is going to adore it. I sure hope so. But I added on those final finishing touches, including those cute charms, and it was just beautiful. It was just stunning and totally just speaks my sister. I love it. Now that the outside is done, I want to add a few final touches on the inside. I used some spare cardboard to make these adorable little dividers on the inside of the box. I thought they were perfect. I just used hot glue to get those down because I had a wonderful plan. The large compartment is going to be for her photos, letters, little memories that she wants to keep. The next compartment is going to be for whatever she wants, probably little trinkets and stuff, but for now I'm putting in some of her favorite candies just as a good way to present this gift. And then that last pocket is going to be for those small wallet-sized photos. Liene actually sent me their portable photo printer, the Pearl N200, and you guys, it's so cute. I think it's darling. It's compact, uses Bluetooth, and I imagine would be so wonderful for crafting on the go. One thing I greatly appreciate about this printer is it has a very easy setup, similar to the Pixcut S1. Simply load your photo paper that comes with the machine, load your ink cartridge, and you are good to go. Also, you can actually use the same app for this printer as well. Process is pretty similar in the printing category as well. I found this photo of me and my sister I wanted to print. It prints the same way, just on a smaller scale. I ended up printing a ton, and I think the print quality is good. Here's a close-up, and you can kind of see the quality right there. You can tear off that white strip at the bottom, or you can write like a name, date, memory on it. And guys, I printed a ton of these. They were just super easy and looked really great. One more important feature to note is that these little photos also double as stickers if you would like. So I tried it out on a piece of paper and I thought it turned out really cute. For those last little photos, I got that box out again and put them in the smallest compartment. I think pretty much everyone should have a little box or trinket treasure chest where they can keep their most important memories in one place. I think this came together just beautifully. It's very personable and just wonderful. And don't worry, I also got her some cash in an envelope in that big box, so she can keep her money in there as well. So happy I was able to make this last minute gift for her and that it turned out so good. Again, there's the outside of the box. It looks so cute and it just screams her, which is what I love about it most. So, just a reminder, here is where we started. It was so fun to give this box some personality, and I think handmade gifts are just the best. You can use this idea for a graduation, a birthday, Mother's Day, a travel memory box, the list goes on. Don't forget that you can get an exclusive 15% off discount with my code and link in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in our next one. Goodbye.